Hi guys, so welcome back. So for today I have a very fun recipe for you. It's been really hot around here, so salad is the way to go. So I'm gonna show you how I make this chickpea salad topped with some good goat cheese. If you don't like goat cheese, go ahead and substitute it with feta cheese because goat cheese can be a little strong. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm using chickpeas. I'm using the canned one because nobody got time to cook dry peas, chickpeas. Anyways, you know what I'm saying. So go ahead and we're using cucumbers. So this salad, we're not using a lot. So I'm using about a cup and a half of cucumber. Go ahead and dice your cucumber and add it to that. We're not making a lot, so I'm making it just for me, which I'm gonna have for 2 days straight for lunch and dinner. So go ahead and dice some English cucumbers. I love English cucumbers, so that's why I'm using that kind, but feel free to use the regular cucumbers. So we're adding some bell peppers. I am using only orange bell peppers and the yellow one because it gives it that beautiful color. It's so fun. I love healthy food. It's just so beautiful, you guys, and also tastes amazing. Let me tell you, you're gonna love this salad, alright? It's very simple, very light, yet filling and delicious. So go ahead and if you don't like yellow and orange bell peppers, go ahead and use green and red. Who cares? It's just beautiful fun colors. I love fun colors. So we're also using some purple onion. If you don't like purple onion, use whatever you like. Listen, it's your dish, your business, you're gonna eat it, so use whatever onion you like. I like purple onion just because it's beautiful. You guys, look at it. It's just a beautiful rainbow. So we are using cherry tomatoes because, oh my god, I love cherry tomatoes. The sweetness in it is just amazing. So you could use just the regular red cherry tomatoes, but I like the multicolor ones because, listen, I like fun salad. It just has to be so pretty, so appealing. You know, I just want it to look as good as it tastes. Okay, I know that makes no sense, but use whatever you have in your fridge. I'm pretty sure you got all of this stuff in your house already, so you don't even have to go outside, go to the market to buy stuff. That's why I love this recipe, because all of the stuff you already, except for the cheese probably, you already have. Like I said, goat cheese, the taste is pretty strong. You might opt out. You might want to use, feta cheese or parmesan. We're also using some avocados, has avocado. This avocado is just perfect. See, I want a man like that. Anyways, go ahead and peel your avocado and dice it. It's just perfect. And for freshness, for this fresh taste, we're also adding some beautiful fresh cilantro. I love, oh, and some blackberries because I love fruits in my salad. But if you don't like fruit in your salad, go ahead and just choose something else. You may add nuts, you may add walnuts or cashews or almonds, whatever you like. But I love fruits in my salad. So go ahead and chop up some cilantro. Chop up some cilantro and put up in there. Throw it in there. Okay, I can't speak, you guys. Anyway, so after you've done chop up all your vegetables, dicing all your vegetables, we're gonna go ahead and add half of the lime juice. Yes, let me tell you, this salad is so bomb. If you don't have lime, lemon is just good. I had lime and lemon, so I wanted to use lime instead. So we're gonna drizzle some olive oil. I added about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is just amazing. Okay, if you don't have olive oil, you may use grapeseed oil or avocado oil, but olive oil will be just perfect. And some red pepper flakes because we need some heat. Also, for seasoning, I'm using some oregano leaves and some basil leaves, dried. Just sprinkle a little bit, like 1/4 of a teaspoon. And of course, some freshly ground black pepper. This is the goat cheese I'm using, you guys. It is amazing. The thing about this salad, if you are a vegan or a vegetarian, you don't have to use the cheese. You can skip the cheese. If you like cheese but you don't like goat cheese, you can use feta cheese or parmesan. Get the shaved parmesan. That would just be amazing. I just wanted some goat cheese because I wanted to be fancy. Okay, I don't really necessarily like goat cheese like that. because the taste, guys, I feel like I'm eating a fucking raw goat. I feel like I'm eating some goat that was prepared by a Blanco person. Anyways, moving on. So I added some sea salt because goat cheese taste is strong, honey. I'm telling you, if you're not used to goat cheese, go ahead, try feta or shaved parmesan because you're safe. It's safer, okay? But if you want to be fancy like me, you want to be sumun like me, go ahead and use some goat cheese. But Lord, I love the salad. It was good though, but it's just the taste. You can taste the goat. You can taste the goat. You know, like the goat was it? Anyways, you guys, whatever. So go ahead, add your cheese and then stir that up. Stir it before you add your cheese, depending on the cheese you're using. I don't want the cheese to be all melty and crumpling all in there. I want it to still look pretty for pictures, but yeah. Anyways, make sure you stir it first after you've added the black pepper, and then go ahead, add the cheese and give it another stir. If you guys are liking this video so far, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more because I have a lot more fun recipes coming up. Okay, and let me tell you, oh, honestly, the salad was really good. It just, you know, I'm just a sumun, so I try goat cheese because I want to be fancy. But listen, it's probably gonna be the last time I eat goat cheese. Trust me, I think it's gonna be the last time. Anyways, I'm gonna stick to parmesan, pepper jack. I don't even like feta like that, but I'll take feta any time of the day, anytime. Goat cheese, alright, because I you know, I was trying to be, like I said, I was trying to be fancy, and I tried it. I'm gonna eat it because I'm not throwing it away. That cheese was expensive. That whole meal is expensive, so I'm gonna eat it. Anyways, I hope you guys like this recipe and give it a try. Be sure to skip the goat cheese. If you don't like goat cheese, trust me, you're gonna want to skip it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next video, and subscribe please. Thank you.